What's up, guys? Please subscribe and leave notifications on this video. Thumbs up this video and comment if you have any questions. Sound like a
Hi there. So the problem I'm having is this city water connection is not working properly. It's leaking. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take it apart and put a new one on. Stop it. So what we're going to do is just going to remove 3 screws here. And this is also broken. This is no good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spatula and get underneath it, and then use this little breaking bar. And as you can see, it just unscrews naturally like this. And I'm going to leak a little bit of water on you. Then I'm going to remove some of this goo. The spatula. This is called beetle tape. Clean it up nice and good. Okay, so what I've done here is I've bought this this city valve connection from Amazon. I also got this what's called beetle tape. So this is going to go on the back. So I've already put some on here, and what this does is it just screws. It's just a direct replacement for the existing one, just like that. And nice and tight, and then it just pushes right in, and press it really hard. And then you just insert the screws back in. As you can see, this one's a little bit different than the previous one. It's a lot better quality, I feel. It's got a different cap. The other one was kind of rubbery. Okay. Nice and tight, but not to over tighten it so it damage the screws there. And what I'm going to do after is, what I'm not going to show in this video, is I'm going to use some of this Proflex RV sealant, and I'm just going to put sealant around the edges here. Thank you.